Hello, third graders and third grade parents. I'm Miss Moya, and I will be your teacher for this year. And I'm super excited to meet all of you. Now, before I get into kind of my room and expectations and stuff, I just want to let you know I'm not going to go over a whole lot of the changes that are happening in the room and with expectations and such, just because things keep changing continually, and I don't want to tell you one thing and then tomorrow or next week sometime have to completely retract that and tell you something totally different. So I'm going to refrain from talking about that a little bit until school actually has started, and I'll be sending home packets and things talking about that a little bit more, just because I don't want to give you the wrong information right now. But I will talk about a few things that won't change no matter what happens. One of those things is how you can contact me. Now, I'm going to be using an app called Class Dojo, which you can download on your phone. Some other teachers in your past might have used that. Now, it uses kind of a point system. So, and we use a clip chart in the classroom. So, if I'm going to translate those behaviors from the clip chart into Class Dojo as best I can. And it's also a super easy way to talk to me. So they have an instant messaging option in there. And I'm not sure if they have phone call or video chat in there. I will have to check on that. They might have added that or not. I will check. But if you don't want to use that, you can also email me, which my email is smoya@nwhite.k12.in.us. And if you did not remember all of what I just said, you can easily find it on North White's website. And I will respond to emails and messages like that as fast as I can. You can also call me during the school day, but if it's during class, I might not be able to answer as fast as possible. And if it's after school, it's going to depend on the time. As you can see, I'm not in the classroom right now. I actually live in Dayton, Indiana, which if you don't know where that is it's kind of by Lafayette, Indiana. So I'm kind of a distance away. So I don't like to stay super long after school because I have to drive so far. But if you let me know ahead of time and want to meet with me, or you want to call me, it's best to right after the school day, or let me know ahead of time and I will for sure stay after school and meet with you. Or if your child needs extra help with homework or something like that, I will more than willing stay after school for that. But that is the best way to contact me. To get into Class Dojo, I can, if you email me sometime this week before school, I can send you an invite so you can get access to the portal. Or if you don't have time, I will be sending home papers first day of school that will tell you how to get in, and should be fairly simple. I'm going to talk about a few other fun things that we're going to do this year that won't change. Last year I did this and it was super fun, so I'm going to do it again. But it's a Scholastic book program that I like to do. So every month Scholastic has a dollar book, or sometimes a few, that they make available. And I have done this thing where family, friends, and people that I know have the chance to donate money that they can adopt a reader. So that means that these other people are donating about $10 for once for every month, and that means your child will get a free book every single month until the end of the year, which is super fun. And I am going to try and uphold this, even if we happen to go all online at some point. I will try and mail the books to you. And if that does not work, then I will definitely hold them at school for you so that you can get them at the end of the year sometime. But no matter what happens, you will get those books. And it's super fun because there's lots of cool books. There's sometimes chapter books, picture books. Sometimes they have books in Spanish. And it's super fun. And I love that these kids get to have these books for themselves at home. Okay. That's all I can really think of to talk about right now. If you have any questions, please email me. Like I said, if you want to get access to Class Dojo early and message me through there, please let me know and I will send you the information. I can't wait to meet all of you, even if some of you might be through the screen, but I'm super excited for this year. It's going to be very different and it's kind of scary right now, but I will do my best to make it fun and make learning fun and as best as I can. Excited to meet all of you. Bye.